You asked, we delivered. From bulk reimbursements to mobile upgrades and partial repayments, your top 5 expense requests are new on Ramp for May. Back from a trip with a stack of reimbursements to submit? Instead of filling out 10 forms one by one, just drag and drop all your receipts into Ramp. Ramp Intelligence takes it from there, grouping related expenses, suggesting a smart title, and filling in required fields for you. Managers get the full picture up front so they can confidently approve the whole group without digging into every line item. Went $5 over your per diem or forgot to split out a personal expense? Ramp makes it easy to repay exactly what you owe. No admin follow-ups, no back and forth. Stay in policy without slowing down. Some expenses just keep coming. Same coffee shop, same software bill, same hotel stay. Set a recurring memo once, and familiar expenses take care of themselves, giving you time back every month. As an executive assistant, you're always one step ahead. Now your tools are too. No more waiting for a laptop to upload receipts, submit reimbursements, or manage expenses. From the Ramp mobile app, you can handle your exec spend or your own with just a swipe. Need to distribute funds for your whole team? Do it fast and stay in control with spend programs. Once you've built one, you can now duplicate it with just a click. Update limits, edit rules, or adjust access in seconds. No need to start from scratch. And when something changes, lock, unlock, or terminate funds and cards right from the table. And that's a wrap for May. Which feature will save you the most time? Tell us in the comments.